Okay, guys, we have our daily language for today, and let's go ahead and get that going. Make sure you have a marker or a pen, colored pencil, something that looks different than the pencil you did your work in so we can make our corrections. So, hot weather. Okay, weather, this is the wrong weather. So you need W-E-A-T-H-E-R, can make our bodies sweat. Okay, this is the plural of bodies. Change the Y to an I and add ES. Okay, sweat, make, not sweat make, but sweat makes. When our subject is singular, we need an S on the end of a verb. Makes a body. We don't say more cool, we just say cooler. So there should be no more, and cool should be cooler. Make sure you have a period. The main reason people sweat is heat. So there are 3 different spellings of main. M-A-I-N, M-A-N-E, and capital M-A-N-E. These all mean different things. So this is the correct one. This one is the one we're talking about, the hair on a horse, and this is the state in the northeast of our country. Underline the preposition that tells when something happens. When you play outside in the heat, drink lots of water during the day. During is one of the prepositions that is telling us when something is happening. So during should be underlined. And we do have a list of prepositions in your writing folder if you want to review them. Okay, the first bikes not mated, the first bikes made did not have pedals. Okay, and pedals only has one D. So you only need one D right here. Remember, if you're making corrections and I'm going too fast, press the pause button, make your corrections, then press play. Okay, the wheels on the first bicycles, okay, this is how you spell bicycles. It's kind of a hard word, so make sure you're copying it correctly. Were not the same size. And bicycles is the only mistake in that sentence. Everything else should be copied correctly. Okay, it says write the antonym. Antonym means opposite, remember. Bicycles today have 2 wheels that are the same size, so the opposite of same is different. Okay, we have another analogy. Bicycle is to 2 as tricycle is to 3. Washington not became, but became a state on November. Make sure you have capitalized 11th, comma, 1889. And can anybody see what I'm missing? What did I forget? Hopefully you noticed a period. Okay, in 1889, capital N, Washington didn't. What are we missing here? The apostrophe. Have a flag of its own. We don't want the its with the apostrophe S because that means it is. Okay? And that is not what we're talking about. When we're talking about ownership, it's just ITS. Okay? Because it doesn't say a flag of it is owned, so it can't have the apostrophe. The officials in Washington did not choose an official flag. So this basically means the people in charge in Washington did not choose an approved flag until 1923. So sometimes words have different meanings, and we have to make sure that we know all of them. Underline the meaning of the bold word. The flag is the only state flag that displays a picture of a president. So displays here means shows. So everybody should have shows underlined. Okay, day 5. So this prefix VIS, it's not really a prefix, but this root VIS means see. So visit means to see and spend time with it. With television means an object with a screen. You guys know what television means. And invisible means not to be seen because in means not. So if IN is a prefix means not and VIS as a root means to see, that means not to see. And IBLE means able, so it's not able to see. So these should be super easy. I see the trees blowing outside my wind, but I can't see the wind because it is invisible. I want to see my grandma, so I will visit her. I can't wait to see my favorite show on our brand new television. Okay, this sentence is not to be ignored. I look at these. Make sure there is a sentence in that box that has capital letters, good spacing, and a proper end mark. If you do not have one while we're correcting this, write one right now. Okay, under your sentence, I would like you to draw some snowflakes. We haven't done that in a while. Snowflakes and a sunshine to make sure this February day that you watch the video. It will show me. Okay, make all your corrections and turn it in.